Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A plus b is equal to 9, ab is equal to 81. Solution. A plus b is equal to 9. Let's call this equation 1. AB is equal to 81. Let's call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, a plus b is equal to 9. We can make b the subject of the formula. B is equal to 9. If a come to this side, it becomes minus a. Let's call this equation 3. Now we can then substitute for b in this equation 2. That is, from 2, AB is equal to 81. When b is equal to 9 minus a, we have a bracket 9 minus a is equal to 81. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 9, this is 9a, minus a multiplied by a, this is a square, is equal to 81. Then here we have 9a minus a square. If you bring this 81 to this side, it becomes minus 81 is equal to 0. Let's write this equation in standard form. We have minus a square plus 9a minus 81 is equal to 0. Then we can then divide all through by minus 1. If you divide minus a square by minus 1, we have a square. If you divide plus 9a by minus 1, we have minus 9a. And if you divide minus 81 by minus 1, we have plus 81 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. We have a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, which is the discriminant, divided by 2a. And from here, from this equation, a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 9, c is equal to 81. Let's consider the discriminant here. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 9 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 81. And this is equal to minus 9 square, that is 81 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 81, that is 324. And this is equal to 81 minus 324, that is minus 243. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 243. So let's plug in into this equation. Let's plug in into this formula. We have a is equal to minus bracket minus b is 9 plus or minus square root of the discriminant. We have minus 243 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then a is equal to minus times minus 9, that is 9 plus or minus square root of minus 243 can be written as 81 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Then a is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 81, that is 9. Then root 3 square root of minus 1 I divided by 2. Now, A1 is equal to 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2, and A2 is equal to 9 minus 9 root 3I divided by 2. These are the values of A. Now to solve for B, from equation 3, that is, B is equal to 9 minus A. Now B1 will be equal to 9 minus A1 is 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2. Then this is over 1. Yes, 18 minus 9 root 3I over 2. Then B1 is now 18 minus 9. That is 9 minus 9 root 3I over 2. This is the value of B1. And for B2, B2 is equal to 9 minus A2. Then B2 is equal to 9 minus bracket 9 minus 9 root 3I divided by 2. Then B2 is equal to 18 minus 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2. Then B2 is equal to 18 minus 9. This is 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2. Therefore, A1, B1 is equal to 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2, 9 minus 9 root 3I divided by 2. Then A2, B2 is equal to 9 minus 9 root 3I divided by 2, 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2. We can see that A1 here is equal to B2 here, and then B1 here is equal to A2 here. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 9. AB equal to 81. Now let's see. Here, A plus B is equal to 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2 plus 9 minus 9 root 3I divided by 2 must be equal to 9. Then here, the LCM is 2. Then we have 9 plus 9 root 3I plus 9 minus 9 root 3I divided by 2 must be equal to 9. This will cancel this. Then we have 9 plus 9 divided by 2 must be equal to 9. And 9 plus 9, this is 18 divided by 2 must be equal to 9. Then 3 here 1, 3 here 9. Therefore, the left hand side, 9 is equal to the right hand side, 9, which is true. Now, to check for the product, AB is equal to 81. Then we have AB is equal to 9 plus 9 root 3I divided by 2 multiplied by 9 minus 9 root 3I divided by 2 must be equal to 81. Then here, we have 9 times 9. This is 81 minus here is 81 root 3I plus 81 root 3I minus bracket 9 root 3I square must be equal to 81. Now this will cancel this. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. We have 81 minus bracket here is 81 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1 must be equal to 81. Then here is, we have 81 minus 81 times 3, that is 243 multiplied by minus 1 must be equal to 81. Then we have 81 minus 243 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 243. This divided by 4, then this divided by 4 must be equal to 81. 81 plus 243, this is 324 divided by 4 must be equal to 81. 324 divided by 4, that is 81, is equal to 81, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.